Hello, my friends. Have you ever stopped to think about just how often we eat chicken? It has become one of the most popular meat in America. But there's something that many people don't know. Simply eating chicken doesn't automatically give you all the health benefits. How you prepare it, what you eat with it, and even which cut you choose can make a surprising difference. Today, I'm going to share simple, science-backed tips that can help you get the very most from one of the healthiest proteins available. So grab your tea and let's get comfortable. I have my tea here. So why is chicken so good for us? Chicken is affordable, it's easy to cook, and incredibly versatile. You can grill it, roast it, add it to soups, salads, stir fries, or even sandwiches. But the real reason nutrition experts love chicken is because it's a complete protein. That means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need every single day. As we get older, those amino acids become even more important. They help us repair tissues, support healthy muscles, and keep our bodies functioning the way they should. So here's a question that I get very often. Why muscles matter after 50? One amino acid deserves special attention. It's called leucine. Think of leucine as the body's construction manager. It tells your muscles it's time to rebuild. Research shows that eating quality protein like chicken combined with simple strength exercises helps older adults maintain muscle, build strength, and remain active longer. That's incredibly important because muscle does so much more than help us lift heavy things. Healthy muscle helps support balance, protects our bones, improves metabolism, and helps us remain independent as we age. Chicken helps you feel full. Have you ever eaten a meal only to feel hungry again an hour later? Protein works differently. Chicken takes longer to digest, which helps you stay satisfied much longer. It also lowers the hunger hormone called ghrelin, while encouraging your body to release natural hormones that tell your brain, I'm full. One of those hormones is called GLP-1. Many people know GLP-1 because of the newer weight loss medication. But our bodies naturally produce this hormone every day. Choosing healthy protein like chicken is one natural way to support that process. Chicken doesn't just help your muscles, it also helps your brains. Chicken contains a nutrient called choline. Your brain uses choline to make acetylcholine, a chemical messenger that's involved in memory, learning, focus, and mood. Chicken also contains the amino acid called tryptophan. When you enjoy chicken with healthy carbohydrates like sweet potatoes, brown rice, or roasted vegetables, your body is better able to produce serotonin, our natural feel-good chemical. Who knew dinner could help support both your body and your brain? People ask me all the time, which is healthier, dark meat or white meat? The answer is both have wonderful benefits. Chicken breast contains a little more protein and a little less fat. Dark meat, like thighs, contains more iron, more zinc, and other nutrients that help carry oxygen throughout our body. If you're concerned about iron levels like I do, dark meat can be an excellent choice. Personally, I enjoy both. So what about the skin? For years, many of us were told to avoid chicken skin completely, right? Today's research gives us a more balanced picture. Yes, that skin contains fat, but much of that fat is actually heart-healthy, unsaturated fat. Sometimes I cook my chicken with the skin on because it helps keep the meat moist and flavorful. If you prefer, you can always remove the skin before eating. Either way, you're still enjoying an excellent source of nutrition. Now here's how to get even more benefits. Marinate your chicken with olive oil, fresh garlic, lemon juice, plain yogurt, and fresh herbs. Y'all know I love my herbs. Not only does this improve the flavor, it also helps to tenderize the meat. When possible, serve chicken alongside colorful vegetables like broccoli, spinach, bell peppers, tomatoes, carrots, or asparagus. The more color on your plate, the more antioxidants you're adding to your meal. And don't forget that drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, which helps your body to absorb important fat-soluble nutrients from those vegetables. My favorite way to cook chicken is, first, I lightly season the chicken, then I give it a quick sear in a hot skillet. After that, I finish cooking it in the oven. That gives the outside a beautiful golden color while keeping the inside tender and juicy. Here's another tip. Chicken breasts are naturally thicker on one end. If you gently pound them until they're even thickness, they cook much more evenly and they stay nice and moist. And don't throw away those bones. Here's something my grandmother would have appreciated. Place them in a freezer bag. Once you've collected enough, make homemade chicken broth. As the bones slowly simmer, they release nutrients and amino acids into the broth. Homemade broth becomes the perfect base for soups, stews, gravies, or sauces. It's economical, delicious, and nothing goes to waste. Now, not all chicken meals are created equal. Try to limit heavily processed chicken products, deep fried chicken, and foods that are loaded with sodium. Whenever possible, choose fresh chicken. Prepare it yourself and let simple ingredients do the work. Your body will thank you. Here's a fun fact. The average American now eats over 100 pounds of chicken every year. That's more than any other meat. Since we're eating so much of it, why not prepare it in a way that gives us the greatest nutritional benefits? If you're cooking for little ones, invite them into the kitchen. Let them help season the chicken, wash the vegetables, or stir the ingredients. Children are much more likely to enjoy healthy foods when they've helped to prepare them. And sometimes the best ingredient in any recipe is spending time together. Chicken is one of the most nutritious, affordable, and versatile foods we can enjoy. It's rich in complete protein, supports healthy muscles, keeps us feeling full, and even provides nutrients that support brain health. The wonderful thing is, you don't need fancy ingredients or expensive supplements. Sometimes the healthiest meals are also the simplest. Thank you for spending a little time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. subscribe to Healthy Kitchen Wizard, and share this video with someone who loves good food and good health. Until next time, keep cooking, keep learning, and remember, every healthy meal is another gift you give your body.